kitchen is stylish and up to date? Well, think again. What was once in style is now slowly becoming outdated. In 2025, many of the kitchen trends we've loved for years are on their way out. Some might even be in your kitchen right now, and you might not even know it. From glossy cabinets that look cool but are hard to maintain, to endless stainless steel that feels cold and impersonal, these trends are starting to fade. But don't worry. We're here to break down which kitchen styles are on their way out, and what you can do to update your space for a fresh, modern look. Stick around to see if your kitchen is stuck in the past, and find out what's next. This is your chance to stay ahead of the trend and create a kitchen that's both stylish and functional. Section 1. Overly glossy cabinets. Let's talk about a kitchen trend that is losing its charm: overly glossy cabinets. These shiny cabinets once looked modern and stylish. But in 2025, they are considered outdated. Why? They are hard to maintain. Fingerprints, smudges, and dust show up easily. This makes your kitchen look messy, no matter how much you clean. Glossy cabinets also make the space feel cold and harsh. You now want kitchens that feel warm and welcoming. Matte or satin finishes are a better choice. They are smooth, soft, and easier to keep clean. They also give your kitchen a modern and cozy feel. Another bonus? Matte cabinets look great with other textures like wood or stone. This adds more depth and personality to your kitchen. If you still have glossy cabinets, it may be time to update them. A simple change can make a big difference. And here's something you should know: the next trend is one many homeowners still love. But it is slowly going out of style. You might even have it in your kitchen right now. Keep watching to find out more. Section 2. Open shelving everywhere. Open shelving was once a favorite in modern kitchens. It looks stylish and makes your space feel open. But in 2025, it is becoming outdated. The main problem? It is not practical. Open shelves collect dust and grease. You have to clean them often to keep them looking neat. Plus, they can make your kitchen feel cluttered. Unless you are careful, shelves can quickly turn messy. You now prefer smarter storage solutions. Closed cabinets hide the mess and keep everything organized. If you still love the open look, there are better options. Try a mix of both. Use open shelves for a few decorative items. Keep everyday items behind closed doors. This gives you the best of both worlds. A clean, organized kitchen that still feels open. So, if your kitchen is full of open shelves, it may be time for a change. And the next trend? It is something almost every kitchen has had for years. But now, it is on its way out. Keep watching to see if your kitchen has it. Section 3. All-white kitchens. An all-white kitchen has long been a symbol of cleanliness and simplicity, and it's easy to see why. White kitchens are timeless, bright, and airy, but in 2025, this trend is starting to feel too sterile and impersonal. The problem with an all-white kitchen is that it can lack warmth and personality, making the space feel a bit flat. In 2025, homeowners are moving toward a more balanced approach with a mix of light and dark tones. Adding colors like soft greens, blues, or even earthy tones brings life and character to the kitchen. The key is finding harmony between colors, textures, and materials to create a more dynamic, yet still calm, atmosphere. If you have an all-white kitchen, it might be time to bring in some color or natural textures, like wooden elements or patterned tiles. This simple shift can add depth and warmth to your space. And coming up next? There's one more trend that many kitchens still have, but it's quickly being left behind. Keep watching to see if you're still holding onto it. Section 4. Over-the-range microwaves. For years, over-the-range microwaves were a must-have in many kitchens. They saved counter space and kept appliances out of the way. But in 2025, this trend is fading fast. Why? It is not the most practical choice anymore. Over-the-range microwaves are harder to reach, especially for kids or shorter family members. They also do not vent smoke and grease as well as a proper range hood. You now prefer built-in microwave drawers or placing microwaves in lower cabinets. This makes them easier to use and keeps your kitchen looking clean and modern. If you still have an over-the-range microwave, consider updating your space. Switching to a sleek microwave drawer not only looks better but also improves kitchen safety and function. And the next trend? It is one many people love because it feels fancy. But in 2025, it is quickly going out of style. Keep watching to find out what it is. Section 5. Dark kitchens everywhere. Dark kitchens were once all the rage, with deep hues of black, navy, and charcoal giving kitchens a bold and dramatic look. However, in 2025, dark kitchens are starting to lose their appeal. While dark tones can add sophistication, they can also make your kitchen feel heavy and smaller than it really is. The shift in 2025 is towards lighter, brighter spaces that feel open and airy. You are embracing lighter shades like soft whites, warm neutrals, and pastel colors. These shades create a sense of calm and openness, making your kitchen feel larger and more inviting. Even if you love the drama of dark tones, it's easy to bring in lighter accents or incorporate them as small details rather than overwhelming your entire kitchen. If your kitchen is still heavy on the dark tones, consider brightening things up with light cabinetry, countertops, or backsplashes. The next trend on the way out? It's one that's been around for years and is slowly fading into the background. Keep watching to find out. Section 6. Matching everything. For many years, having everything in your kitchen matched perfectly was the go-to design choice. Matching cabinets, countertops, backsplashes, and even hardware helped create a clean, uniform, and polished look. Everything was carefully coordinated to ensure it all blended together seamlessly. It looked neat and tidy, and it gave off a sense of order. But in 2025, this matchy-matchy style is starting to feel a bit too rigid and outdated. Why? People are shifting away from perfect symmetry and embracing a more personalized approach. Today's homeowners want their kitchens to feel more dynamic, fun, and uniquely their own. They're moving away from the idea that everything needs to be identical. Instead, they're mixing and matching different materials, colors, and textures to create a space that's full of life and personality. For instance, you might have sleek, modern cabinets, but pair them with rustic wood shelves or a warm wooden floor. Or imagine combining polished marble countertops with a bright, colorful backsplash. This combination of contrasting elements adds more depth and warmth to the space, making it feel more inviting and interesting. The key is finding harmony between the different pieces, even if they're not identical. It's about making the space feel like you, rather than a showroom display. This trend of mixing styles and materials brings a sense of authenticity to the kitchen. It reflects a more relaxed, lived-in vibe that invites creativity. Instead of feeling stiff and predictable, your kitchen can feel like a place where unique ideas come together in a beautiful and functional way. If your kitchen is still stuck in the "everything must match" mindset, it might be time to embrace some contrast and allow your space to have more personality. Adding a little bit of unexpected texture or color can breathe new life into your kitchen and make it stand out. Section 7. Overly ornate backsplashes. Backsplashes have always been a focal point in kitchen design, but in 2025, overly ornate backsplashes are fading out. Intricate patterns, heavy mosaic tiles, and bold, busy designs used to be the go-to for creating drama in the kitchen. However, today's design trends lean towards simplicity and subtlety. You are moving towards clean, minimalist backsplashes with soft textures and neutral colors. Subway tiles, for instance, are still a favorite, but in a more subtle, understated way. Instead of drawing all the attention, backsplashes are now meant to blend seamlessly with the overall design, providing a sophisticated, yet low-key touch. If you have an overly ornate backsplash, it might be time for a refresh. Replacing it with something simpler could instantly modernize your kitchen and make it feel more current. The next trend? It's one that's been hanging on for years, but is slowly being replaced. Stay tuned to see if you still have it in your kitchen. Section 8. Too many upper cabinets. For decades, upper cabinets have been a must-have in most kitchens. They provide a lot of storage and keep everything organized. But in 2025, this classic design is starting to feel a bit outdated. Why? Because kitchens are changing. Homeowners are no longer looking for spaces that feel boxed in. Instead, they want kitchens that feel open, airy, and welcoming. And too many upper cabinets can actually make your kitchen feel smaller and more cramped. When you fill every wall with upper cabinets, you block natural light, which makes your kitchen feel dark and closed off. The more cabinets you add up high, the less open your space feels. Plus, the ceiling can start to feel lower, making the entire room feel less spacious. As the kitchen design trend shifts towards openness and light, fewer upper cabinets are being used to allow for more light to come in. This creates a brighter, airier atmosphere that feels much more inviting. Instead of rows of upper cabinets, many homeowners are getting creative with their kitchen layouts. Open shelving has become a popular alternative. It's a great way to store items while keeping the space feeling open. However, not everyone loves open shelves because they require more maintenance, so another great option is to focus more on lower cabinets or kitchen islands for storage. This creates more counter space and keeps the upper area open and free, making your kitchen feel larger and more flexible. Not only does this layout help create a sense of space, but it also allows for bigger windows or more open wall areas to add to the design. You can hang artwork, put up a backsplash, or just enjoy a larger, open view. The change from heavy upper cabinets to more open layouts is helping kitchens feel less cluttered and more stylish. So if your kitchen still has rows of upper cabinets, it might be time to rethink the layout and consider more modern alternatives. And guess what? The next trend we're about to talk about might already be in your kitchen too. It's something many homeowners have used for years, but it's slowly fading away. Stay tuned to find out if your kitchen is still holding on to it. Section 9. Granite countertops everywhere. Granite countertops used to be the symbol of luxury in kitchens. They were everywhere, and many homeowners loved them for their beauty and durability. But in 2025, granite is starting to fade out. So, why is granite losing its popularity? One big reason is that it's just too common now. It's in almost every kitchen, which makes your space feel less unique. People want something different, something that reflects their personal style. Another problem with granite is that it's high maintenance. It needs to be sealed regularly to prevent stains and damage. This can be time-consuming and costly. Plus, even with proper care, granite can still show scratches and wear over time. Today, homeowners are choosing new materials that are easier to care for and offer more variety. Quartz, for example, is becoming a favorite. It's durable, comes in many colors and patterns, and requires little maintenance. Recycled surfaces are another popular option, as they are eco-friendly and come in beautiful designs. Concrete is also making its way into kitchens, giving a modern and industrial look. These materials not only look great, but they also fit with the trend of eco-friendly designs. People are more aware of the environment and want to make better choices for their homes. If your kitchen still has granite countertops, it might be time to consider something fresh and easier to maintain. Keep watching because up next, we'll talk about a trend that has been popular for a while but is also slowly losing its charm. Is it in your kitchen? Let's find out. Section 10. Overly themed kitchens. For years, themed kitchens were popular, with homeowners dedicating their entire kitchen to a particular style or motif. Whether it was rustic farmhouse, sleek industrial, or even beach-inspired, these fully themed kitchens gave a distinct vibe. However, in 2025, the trend of overly themed kitchens is starting to fade away. Why? Well, homeowners are now looking for spaces that are more flexible, adaptable, and timeless. When you commit your kitchen to one specific theme, it can limit your options if you want to change things up later on. Plus, it often feels less personal and more like a set designed for a movie or magazine. In 2025, the focus is shifting to kitchens that blend different elements and styles, creating a more cohesive and dynamic space that reflects individual tastes. A mix of modern, rustic, and even a touch of vintage can now work together seamlessly, creating a kitchen that feels more balanced and unique. Instead of being tied down to one look, homeowners are now opting for kitchens that can easily evolve with their personal style. The key is creating a timeless, functional space with room for change as trends and tastes evolve over time. So, if your kitchen is too heavily themed, it might be time to dial it back and allow for more versatility. Mixing materials and textures, like pairing sleek modern cabinets with rustic wood accents, can make a huge difference. If you're feeling stuck in a theme, now is the perfect time to refresh and give your kitchen a more balanced, timeless feel. Keep watching to see what the next trend is. This one is something many homeowners still love, but it's slowly starting to disappear. So there you have it, the kitchen trends that are officially on their way out in 2025. If your kitchen still has any of these outdated elements, it might be time to think about a fresh update. Remember, design is all about creating a space that reflects your style and makes you feel at home. So why not stay ahead of the game and embrace the latest trends that will keep your kitchen feeling modern and inviting? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more design tips and kitchen inspiration coming your way. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you're always in the loop when new videos drop. I'd love to hear from you. Which outdated trend are you ready to say goodbye to? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's chat. And if you found this helpful, be sure to share it with your friends who are also looking to upgrade their kitchens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.